Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML input attribute. This chapter describes the different attributes for the HTML input element. I want you to notice one thing. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about HTML input types and different types of HTML elements. Also, we've discussed about HTML form elements. But this chapter will be discussing about the different attributes you can place inside your input elements. Don't you forget, it's very important to know the different type of attributes you can place inside your elements, especially your input elements, so you can be able to work easily and work faster and work smartly. This is just an introduction. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye.